down there is the Coca-Cola Arena. It's a lovely industrial area. We've made it to Green Planet. It's like an bird place, basically. Yeah, we'll see what it's like inside. Entrance. Going down a mystery bridge. Nothing here now. Nah, nothing there. Yo, I just spotted this. It's like a shaky bit. No way. What a tail. They look like monkeys.
To jest to, co rośnie. Sofa coś.
They look mad. Ale super on.
Te kajmany to oni, wiecie, że oni polują.
Bro's just chilling there. It's goofy. And he's chubby. These fuckers. These fogging tarantula. Yo, no way. That is sick. I don't know what's here, to be honest. Yo, let's see. Bro's just hanging there. Fine. Ja cię kręcę. Dziwnie, nie? Nice foot. Oh, waterfall, and look at this dude. Oh, he's gone, but you can see that. Feathery-ass tail. Oh. Can you touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Can I feel?
Feel like a plastic, yes.
Oh.
Touch it like this, by one finger, touch it.
Yo, spiders.
O Boże, węże.
What's that? No way. Oh my god, oh my god. Yo.
To jest świetne.
So he's huge. I had to wrap up like 5 times to get on that stick. Branch. No way.
prezent.
But these are cool as well.
My mistake here,
Yeah, look at these
O Boże,
as well. Oh, no way. Yo, it was huge.
Ja idę za nim.
Go. Bro's not happy. No way, he's pissing.
Just piss.
That's disgusting, bro. Should be ashamed. We've got an acrobat here. Yo, more snakes. Snakes are so sick.
Co to jest?
They've got aura. Bats, flying foxes, no?
Lewej, a nie po lewej.
Crocodile. There's one there as well. There's one there. Watch window, bro. They're kissing. Armadillo. Yes, Pablo. Yo. Fishies. No, we get Venus flytrap. That plants that like attack people. I don't know where you find it, but it's somewhere here. Yo!
O, anakonda, to jest chyba największy.
What the fuck?
Tylko bardzo duży.
Yo, these are gigantic. These are huge. They're singing water as well. It smells funny. Yo, look at this.
Gecko.
This dude. Cane toad. Asian forest scorpion. Where? Anywhere? It just doesn't exist.